Hey Winx fans, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most pivotal moments of the entire series, Season 3, Episode 13. This isn't just another Monster of the Week episode. This is where everything starts to get real for our favorite fairies, testing their bonds in ways we've never seen before. If you thought getting your enchantix was the hardest part, you're in for a wild ride. The episode kicks off with the weight of the world, or rather, the entire magic dimension, pressing down on Bloom's shoulders. She's not just the fairy of the dragon flame anymore. She's the guardian of an immense power, and the pressure is visibly getting to her. We see her becoming more isolated, making decisions on her own. And that's where the first cracks in the Winx Club's perfect friendship start to appear. It's so relatable, right? That feeling when you're overwhelmed and you just shut everyone out, even the people who want to help you the most. This growing distance doesn't go unnoticed by the other girls. Stella, always direct, tries to lighten the mood with fashion and fun, but it just doesn't land. Flora, ever the empath, senses Bloom's inner turmoil but struggles to reach her. Musa and Tecna are focused on the strategic side of things, trying to figure out their enemy's next move, which puts them at odds with Bloom's more impulsive, gut-feeling approach. And Layla, having faced her own personal darkness, sees the danger signs but finds it hard to break through Bloom's new walls. And of course, who's there to take advantage of this chaos? Valtor, the master manipulator himself. He doesn't need to throw a huge monster at them when he can just whisper a few doubts and watch their unity crumble. He masterfully exploits the small disagreements, turning minor squabbles into huge rifts. He targets their insecurities, making them question not just Bloom's leadership, but their trust in one another. It's a brilliant strategy, and honestly, terrifying to watch. Valtor knows their greatest strength is their friendship, so he aims right for the heart. The climax of the episode isn't a massive magical battle in the traditional sense. Instead, it's a battle of wills, a tense confrontation where the girls have to make a crucial decision. Do they follow Bloom, who's acting on limited information and a whole lot of pressure? Or do they trust their own instincts, even if it means going against their leader and best friend? This moment is so powerful because there's no clear right or wrong answer. You can see everyone's point of view. It's a genuine dilemma that forces them, and us as the audience, to think about what trust really means. This episode is a masterclass in character development. It shows us that friendship isn't always about agreeing and holding hands. It's about navigating the tough times, forgiving each other's mistakes, and learning to trust even when it's hard. The tension is real, and for a moment, you genuinely worry if the Winx Club can survive this. They are forced to learn that true strength doesn't just come from a new power-up or a shiny transformation. It comes from being vulnerable, communicating honestly, and choosing to believe in each other, flaws and all. Ultimately, this episode sets the stage for the rest of the season's epic finale. The enemy has exposed their greatest weakness, but in doing so has also given them the opportunity to forge an even stronger, more unbreakable bond. They have to rebuild their trust from the ground up, and that journey is what makes them true heroines. This isn't just about saving the world, it's about saving their friendship, which, as we all know, is the most powerful magic of all. What did you guys think of this episode? Did it stress you out as much as it did me? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of Winx. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.